Every morning, while the world rushed into glass buildings and air-conditioned offices, one man sat beneath a tree with nothing but an old toolbox and a heart full of belief. He was a watch repairman, earning barely $2 a day, ignored by most, forgotten by many. Some mocked him, some pitied him, but he kept going, quietly investing in something greater: consistency. Days turned into years. Dust became his companion. Sun and rain tested his will. But he never missed a day. He never cheated a customer. He repaired every watch, like he was fixing time itself. And then, after 15 long years, he opened a small shop. Time Master, a name born from struggle and dreams. That shop grew into 2, then 5. Today, it's a brand. From a street corner to a citywide chain of watch stores, from dust-covered hands to inspiring thousands. He had no investors, no Instagram followers, no shortcuts, just faith and time. Because success doesn't come to the loudest, it comes to the most patient. So when your dream feels too small, when the world tells you to quit, remember the watch repairman who built an empire, one tick at a time.